Hello, dear followers. Today I want to give you a very popular bread recipe. First, add 3 cups of warm water to the bowl. Add a packet of fresh yeast on top. Mix it well. Add some flour, add salt on it and roll it up. Add 8 grams of salt. Add flour again and mix. A total of 6 cups of flour can be used. Do it like this for 5 minutes. This is necessary for a good dough. After 5
with
minutes,
a cling film
and leave it for about 60 minutes for fermentation. 60 minutes later. By doing this, the ventilation process is done. Sprinkle flour on the table. Put the dough on the table. Since it is a soft dough, do it this way with an apparatus. Then let's do this with our hands. Divide into 2 equal parts. Then compression is done by doing each like this. Line the tray with greaseproof paper and sprinkle breadcrumbs on it. Place the meringue and wait by covering it. Add 2 spoons of flour to prepare the sauce. Add a quarter of cold water with a small glass measure. Mix and then add half hot water in a small glass measure. After 30 minutes. Very nice fermentation. We do it this way and pour the sauce on it. Let's make it like me. We do it with fingertips. Oven preheated to 220 degrees. Sprinkle sesame and black cumin on top. Yes, it cooks in a very short time. Cook it in a controlled manner. I want to cut it out and show you the inside. Please tell me where you are watching me from by writing in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching me. See you in new videos. Bye bye.